We're going to Domino first for most of our marketing applications. They're really just staying out in front of the competition, especially in the life sciences and medical industry. Hi, my name is Eric Holmes. I'm the Chief Technical Officer at R&D Custom Automation. We build custom machinery primarily for the life sciences and pharmaceutical industry. People come to us when they have a problem. They can't find a piece of machinery that you can open up a catalog and say, yep, I need this piece of equipment. So we do all of our own design and manufacturing. We've got 40,000 square feet between two buildings, and our customers are comfortable knowing that we control that quality and they trust us and the people that we use to provide equipment to build their machines.
The partnership part of what we do is the most important thing. So from Domino's perspective, there's a give and take. So we clearly know each other's spot. If you don't know that, or you're working with customers or vendors for the first time, that can be painful. It can take a lot of time and lead to a lot of mistakes.
Everything has to be clear, concise, and accurate, and Domino understands that. They've got validation packages to support the quality of their equipment. Our customers are comfortable with those choices.
You know, our tagline is we design and build custom equipment, and we're expert integrators of proven technologies into a custom solution. Not just building our piece, but if we're integrating to a molding machine or to some other technology, we make sure that we can seamlessly transition that and give them a turnkey system.
That's one of the reasons we go to Domino. We know we're going to get quality equipment. There's an expertise on staff that understand the needs in the pharmaceutical and life sciences industry. And so we can come to them with the challenges, partner up with them, and come up with a solution for our customers. So the fiber laser really solved a big issue for us recently. We had a customer come to us. They needed to mark individually on small vials. The rate they were running, 220 to 250 parts a minute, was a challenge. So we were able to etch at speed really cleanly, less maintenance, very accurate codes, and get a good quality product out for them. Domino really vets out the application, brings us good quality information. When we ask for a solution, we're real comfortable that we're going to get the best product for the job.
As our relationship grows with a Domino, a lot of times the competition just gets eliminated because the relationship is seamless, the project's successful, it just naturally, the success grows and the competition just fades away.
On behalf of everyone here at R&D Custom Automation, I'd like to say thanks, Domino.
On behalf of R&D, thanks, Domino.